Exploring the enigmatic beauty of Turkmenistan. A virtual odyssey. Turkmenistan beckons with its captivating landscapes, where the echoes of history blend seamlessly with breathtaking natural beauty. The nation's terrain tells tales of ancient civilizations and natural wonders, inviting explorers to uncover its hidden treasures and monumental past. Ashgabat, Turkmenistan's capital, is a marvel of modern architecture, famously known as the City of White Marble. Its gleaming structures and grand monuments stand as a testament to the country's ambitious spirit, showcasing a unique blend of tradition and contemporary flair. Merv, once a bustling hub at the crossroads of the Silk Road, carries the legacy of countless civilizations. Its ruins whisper stories of prosperity and destruction, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who walked its streets centuries ago. The Karakum Desert, covering much of Turkmenistan, is a landscape of stark beauty and extreme conditions. It's home to the enigmatic Darvaza gas crater, captivating visitors with its fiery glow and offering a surreal spectacle against the desert's silence. The Darvaza gas crater, known as the Door to Hell, is a mesmerizing sight. Created accidentally during a Soviet drilling mishap, its flames have been burning for decades, drawing curious eyes from around the globe to witness its infernal beauty. Turkmenistan's position along the Silk Road was pivotal in antiquity, serving as a vibrant crossroads for trade and cultural exchange. This historic network connected the East and West, allowing for the flow of goods, ideas and innovations, with Turkmenistan at its heart. The ancient city of Merv stands as a testament to Turkmenistan's rich past. Once a major oasis city on the Silk Road, Merv was a hub of multiple civilizations. Its ruins echo stories of prosperity, cultural synthesis, and historical significance, attracting scholars and tourists alike. The Karakum Desert, covering much of Turkmenistan, offers a mystical allure with its vast, unending sands. Within this harsh landscape, natural phenomena thrive, such as the unique desert flora and fauna, making it a subject of intrigue and study. One cannot overlook the Darvaza gas crater, known as the Door to Hell. This fiery pit, burning since 1971, offers a captivating yet eerie spectacle. It highlights the natural gas wealth of Turkmenistan, but also serves as a reminder of nature's unpredictability. The Amu Darya, Central Asia's mighty river, is vital for Turkmenistan's environment and its people. It supports agriculture, sustains ecosystems, and is central to the region's history. Yet, it also symbolizes the challenges of water management and conservation in an arid landscape. Akaltek horses, with their metallic sheen, are not just animals in Turkmen society. They are revered symbols of national pride. These elegant creatures embody the country's spirit, celebrated for their speed, endurance, and unparalleled beauty, deeply woven into Turkmen culture. Traditional Turkmen cuisine offers a taste of the nation's rich heritage, blending flavors that have been perfected over centuries. Dishes like plov and manti showcase the region's agricultural bounty and culinary ingenuity, providing a delicious insight into Turkmen life. Nowruz marks the Persian New Year, a vibrant celebration that brings together communities across Turkmenistan. This ancient festival is a testament to the country's rich tapestry of traditions, symbolizing renewal, unity, and the enduring rhythm of nature. Turkmenistan's steadfast commitment to neutrality is a cornerstone of its foreign policy. This principle has not only shaped its international relations, but also underscored its desire for peace and stability, setting a unique path on the global stage. The revival of falconry in Turkmen culture captures the nation's dedication to preserving its ancient traditions. This art form, steeped in history, showcases the deep bond between humans and nature, and its resurgence is a tribute to Turkmenistan's rich cultural tapestry. Tamerlane, a formidable conqueror, left an indelible mark on Turkmen history. His empire, stretching across much of Central Asia, influenced local cultures and traditions. Turkmenistan, with its strategic location, was significantly impacted by his rule, blending Timurid and local customs. The Avaza tourist zone stands as a testament to Turkmenistan's ambitions in tourism. Nestled along the Caspian Sea, it showcases pristine beaches and luxurious resorts, highlighting the nation's efforts to attract international visitors and diversify its economy beyond natural resources. Turkmenistan's economy thrives on its vast reserves of natural gas and oil. These resources have catapulted the nation into a key energy player in Central Asia. The wealth generated from these sectors is pivotal in funding infrastructure projects and social programs. Gozli Ata, a revered pilgrimage site, offers spiritual solace and continuity for Turkmen. Located in the heart of the Karakum Desert, it embodies the synthesis of ancient beliefs and Islam, drawing pilgrims seeking blessings and a connection to their heritage. Turkmenistan faces significant environmental challenges, notably its water crisis. The Aral Sea's desiccation and overexploitation of the Amu Darya have underscored the need for sustainable water management practices. These issues pose threats to agriculture, health, and the overall ecosystem. Turkmen literature, with its deep roots in epic poetry and oral traditions, tells the story of a nation's soul. Its evolution reflects the resilience and creativity of the Turkmen people, weaving historical events with the tales of national heroes. This rich tapestry offers insights into the collective Turkmen psyche, showcasing a heritage that has withstood the test of time and continues to inspire generations. The Aral Sea, once the fourth largest lake in the world, has tragically diminished, leaving behind a haunting landscape. This ecological disaster has had profound effects on the region, impacting local communities and the environment. The disappearing sea serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of human actions on nature, urging a global conversation on sustainability and conservation. Camels have long been integral to the Turkmen nomadic lifestyle, serving not just as a mode of transport, but also as a crucial resource in the harsh desert environment. Their significance extends beyond the economy, embedding them deeply into the cultural fabric of Turkmen society. This enduring relationship highlights the symbiosis between the Turkmen people and their natural surroundings. The architectural splendor of Turkmenistan's mosques captures the Islamic influence on the country's cultural identity. These structures are not just places of worship, but also symbols of the artistic and spiritual heritage of the Turkmen people. Their beauty and serenity reflect the deep-rooted Islamic traditions that have shaped Turkmenistan's history and its people's lives. Ertugrul Gazi Mosque stands as a monumental symbol of Turkmen-Turkish friendship, its majestic presence a testament to the deep cultural and historical ties between the two nations. This architectural marvel not only serves as a place of spiritual solace, but also signifies the strong bonds and shared heritage that unite Turkmenistan and Turkey, fostering a sense of brotherhood and cooperation. Turkmenistan's education system has undergone significant transformations, aiming to blend traditional values with modern standards. This ambitious shift seeks to prepare a generation that is globally competitive yet deeply rooted in Turkmen heritage, indicating a bright future for the nation's intellectual growth. The impact of Soviet rule on Turkmen culture and identity has been profound, weaving a complex tapestry of influence and resistance. The period introduced modernization while challenging Turkmen traditions, creating a unique cultural synthesis that continues to shape Turkmen society today. Gurban Bayram, celebrated with fervor in Turkmenistan, is more than just an important Islamic holiday. It's a time when the community bonds, sharing in feasts and prayers. This celebration underscores the deep Islamic roots and the importance of faith in Turkmen life. The intrigue of Turkmen folklore and mythology offers a window into the soul of the nation. These tales, rich with heroes and legends, are not just stories, but the keepers of ancient wisdom, guiding the moral and cultural compass of Turkmen society. As Turkmenistan strides towards preserving its rich heritage, while embracing the future, it stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. The journey is a delicate balance between safeguarding traditions and fostering innovation, ensuring a vibrant and sustainable future for Turkmenistan. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you value in this video.